Dr. Tiki, those arrows are looking troublesome.
By the looks of the thermometer, things are heating up here at the Tiki Bar. I don't know what's causing this.
It's a flock of migrating otters, passing through. Together, thousands of them shaking the earth with their webbed feet.
Johnny.
Ah, Rocket Billy.
Whoa. Tiki Bar's shaky.
Did you notice that as well?
Got your Tiki mail here.
Of course, Tiki mail. Good, here it is. What's in the package, Doctor?
The Volcano Bowl. I don't remember ordering this little bastard.
Not so fast.
François Xavier writes, a French complaint. You won't be able to curse us. A French.
Well, for starters, your subject line said a French complaint, but that Tiki mail was almost in English. We won't be able to curse you. Is there a particular timeline that you had in mind for the termination of our cursing?
Géologie.
Sounds French.
Ah, la la,
Lulu!
ça fait longtemps, non?
I think we're dealing with a French woman here.
François Xavier.
We've just got some Tiki mail from him.
Il a brisé mon cœur, he broke my heart.
Oh, sale question.
I have come to warn you.
What's the meaning of this?
You used my geological brilliance to build a volcano to destroy the Tiki Bar.
That ain't cool.
Why, Rocket Billy just brought a volcano.
Oh mon Dieu! C'est trop tard! We are too late.
The hell we are.
No.
Is that it?
No, wait!
This is not the geological way.
The geologist, listen to her. Yes, you can't destroy a volcano by throwing it. As far as I know, the only way to appease a volcano is to toss a virgin in it. It's a matter of time. We've got to act quickly.
Doctor, what are your orders?
Temperature's still rising, but luckily the doctor has a few degrees of a different kind.
Many of you might need to know how volcanoes work. Volcanoes are caused by packs of migrating otters as they pass underneath the earth, heading east for the long weekend. They startle the mountain fish, who kicks up a right fuss, spewing a hot load from its blowhole. The mountain fish, however, is often parched and can be placated with a volcano cocktail.
It's too sweet on a volcano prescription.
The volcano is 6 ounces of grapefruit juice, 2 ounces of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of premium grade maple syrup, half an ounce of sugar syrup, 3 ounces of Demerara rum, 2 ounces of gold rum, 1 ounce of illegal Cuban rum. Then pour into a volcano bowl filled with ice cubes.
Nice work, Johnny. What's next, Lolo?
We set it on fire.
We beat it at its own game.
Get the 151. Hurry. Hang on. Almost there.
Stay on target.
Almost there.
Stay on target.
Drink, damn you! And now?
Now to finish it, we ingest the lava. Tiki gods have mercy.
Oh, c'est fort, putain.
Down!
Oh, we've done it.
Indeed, we have done it. Today's lesson is so brutally obvious, I don't think I have to repeat it for you, but I probably have to repeat it for the French. Lala danse, le Tiki-Bar tremble, Roquette Billy livre le courrier et fait quelque chose de bizarre avec le couteau. Loulou admet que son ancien amant, François-Xavier, a envoyé le volcan pour détruire le Tiki-Bar. Les loutres agacent le poisson montagne. On boit et tout va bien. J'explique l'émission en français et on y danse tout en rond. Fantastique, super, ok, voilà.